To start at level 1 full-time or all day, within the limit of available spots, you only have to pay £500 to reserve your spot and 4,500 until the first of the month that you will start, which will cover a period of 6 months. 3,500 until the first of the 7th month, after 6 months since you started basically. 2,500 until the first of the 13th month, after 1 year since you've started, and 1,500 until the first of the 19th month, after 1 year and 6 months since you started. The start is basically the same and the installments are just reversed. Shortly, the payments consists in reserving your spot and 4 installments at the beginning of each 6 months for a period of 2 years with a total of £12,500. Full-time practice members who spend a minimum of 8 to 10 hours on a daily basis, or even more in some cases, gain so much experience in an intensive rhythm and succeeded to become hireable in an extraordinarily short period of time. Răzvan Pușcașu and Răzvan Mocanu both started with super effort all day with zero experience and received the first jobs after only 7 weeks. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join Odop and apply.